Want to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of energy and health? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Quality Health TV. We're about to dive into the top 14 healthiest foods to kickstart your day. You know, just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need the right nutrients to function at their best. And those nutrients? They come from the foods we choose to eat, especially what we choose to start our day with. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic oatmeal. This breakfast staple is packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your digestive system. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly, helps you feel fuller for longer, and even helps regulate your blood sugar levels. But wait, there's more. Oatmeal is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting muscle function, and boosting your immune system. Now I know what you're thinking, plain oatmeal can be a bit bland. But trust me, there are endless ways to jazz it up. Add some fresh fruit like berries or bananas for sweetness and antioxidants. Sprinkle in some nuts and seeds for healthy fats and protein. You can even get creative with spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm and comforting flavor. The possibilities are endless. So ditch those sugary cereals and embrace the power of oatmeal for a healthy and satisfying start to your day. Let's talk about walnuts, the ultimate brain food. These crunchy nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and cognitive function. Omega-3s have been shown to improve memory, focus, and even mood. Plus, walnuts are a great source of energy-boosting protein and fiber, keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. But here's another reason to love walnuts. They're good for your heart. The healthy fats in walnuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, sprinkle some walnuts on your oatmeal, add them to your yogurt, or enjoy them as a quick and easy snack. Your brain and your heart will thank you. Looking for a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied? Look no further than Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is higher in protein than regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for building and repairing muscle tissue. Plus, Greek yogurt is a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, as it plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Now, Greek yogurt can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can add fruit, granola, or honey for sweetness and texture. You can blend it into smoothies or use it as a base for parfaits. Get creative and experiment with different flavors to find your perfect combination. Let's move on to a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits: green tea. This ancient elixir is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to boost the immune system and protect against chronic diseases. Green tea is also known to increase metabolism, enhance fat burning, and even improve brain function. But that's not all. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress without making you drowsy. So if you're looking for a healthy and refreshing way to start your day, ditch the sugary coffee and opt for a cup of green tea instead. Your body and mind will thank you. Don't underestimate the power of leafy greens, especially spinach. This nutrient-rich vegetable is packed with anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you can help combat inflammation and protect your body from these chronic conditions. But here's another reason to love spinach. It's a great source of iron. Iron is essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body. Low iron levels can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even anemia. So make spinach a regular part of your morning routine and enjoy its amazing health benefits. Next, we have a breakfast classic that's often misunderstood: eggs. Eggs have gotten a bad rap in the past due to their cholesterol content, but studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. One of the key nutrients found in eggs is choline, which is essential for brain health and development. Choline plays a crucial role in memory, mood, and even muscle control. Eggs are also a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. So whether you enjoy them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, make eggs a regular part of your morning routine and reap the amazing health benefits. Next up, let's talk about avocados, the heart-healthy fruit that's more than just a trendy toast topping. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and folate, which is essential for cell repair and growth. But that's not all. Avocados are packed with fiber, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Add some avocado slices to your toast, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them in a salad. Your heart will thank you. Now let's dive into the world of chia seeds, the nutrient-dense superfood that packs a powerful punch in a tiny package. These little seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. They are also rich in antioxidants, fiber, and protein, making them a great addition to your breakfast routine. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Try adding them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds can transform your meal into a powerhouse of health benefits. Almond butter, the protein-packed spread that adds a delicious twist to your breakfast. This creamy delight is not only tasty, but also loaded with essential nutrients. Almond butter is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help keep you full and energized throughout the day. It's also a great source of vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, which support heart health and boost your immune system. Spread it on whole grain toast, mix it into your oatmeal, or add a spoonful to your smoothie for a satisfying and nutritious start to your day. Just a little bit of almond butter can make a big difference in your morning routine. Quinoa, the complete protein source that elevates your breakfast game. This ancient grain is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. It's a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into your morning meals. Add it to your oatmeal, mix it with Greek yogurt, or use it as a base for a nutritious breakfast bowl. Quinoa not only provides sustained energy but also supports muscle growth and repair. Start your day with this superfood and feel the difference. Bananas, the ultimate energy booster to power up your day. Packed with natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, bananas provide an instant and sustained energy release. They are also rich in potassium, which helps maintain muscle function and prevent cramps, making them an ideal pre- or post-workout snack. Additionally, bananas are high in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. Whether you add them to your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them on their own, bananas are a versatile and delicious way to fuel your morning. Berries, nature's tiny antioxidant powerhouses. From strawberries to raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, these colorful fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and fight inflammation. Rich in fiber, berries also support digestive health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whether you sprinkle them on your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack, berries are a delicious and nutritious way to supercharge your morning. Add a burst of color and health to your day with a handful of berries. Whole grain toast is a simple yet powerful addition to your morning meal. Packed with fiber, it helps regulate your digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, preventing those mid-morning hunger pangs. Whole grains are also rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which support energy production and overall health. Top your toast with avocado, almond butter, or a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra nutritional boost. Start your day with a slice of whole grain toast and feel the difference in your energy levels and well-being. Looking for a quick and delicious way to pack a ton of nutrients into your morning? Enter smoothies. These vibrant, nutrient-packed drinks are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Blend up a mix of leafy greens, fruits like bananas and berries, a scoop of Greek yogurt or plant-based protein, and a splash of almond milk. Add a spoonful of chia seeds or a handful of nuts for extra texture and nutrients. Smoothies are not only delicious but also a fantastic way to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants first thing in the morning. Cheers to a healthier you! So there you have it, the top 14 healthiest foods to kickstart your day. By incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your morning routine, you can boost your energy levels, improve your focus, support your immune system, and enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for your entire day. Make it a healthy one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.